Yes guys, what is happening and welcome back to a brand new video. So today you join me with the KONA. It's not even an i30, is it? It's just a KONA, is that what it is? So today we're doing some spicy mods to the Hyundai. I said we need to get on it, we need to smash some content out, and this is exactly what we're doing. So I've dragged him from his house to my house and we're going to do some spicy mods to this. So this might be split up into two videos, so let's show you what we're actually going to do. So right then, so we have got some nice goodies, forge bits. So we've got a forge blow-off valve, which we are going to be fitting today. We've got forge induction kit with forge silicone hoses, and then for the second video potentially it's going to be the GTS race tube. See what it's like, see if it makes a difference, and yeah, so without further ado, let's get on it. So here is the standard KONA. So basically what we're going to be doing is induction kit, as you know. So I'm going to show you how to get it off, remove hoses. It looks like similar kind of setup to the VAG kind of cars, to be honest with you. It's all similar kind of layout. So we'll just get off. I think the blower valve's holding under there, so I believe we might take this off, fit the blanking plate, fit the blower first, and then fit the induction kit. So yeah, I'm just going to try to show you step by step, bolt by bolt, how to fit this. So yeah, let's go. Right then, so let's show you how to get this done step by step. So first we remove the cover. Quite nice material, to be fair. Right, put this somewhere safe. Right then, so this one, there's like a little circle clip and there's a little thing, so literally, I don't know if I broke it or what, but push down and then it's inside it. What's this will stay on until I take all this off, yeah? Right then, so all we got to do is lift this bit up a little bit and they kind of like pretty much pop out. But if you've got a trim tool, trim removal tool, easy as that. So when this comes off, this will come straight out. So we got half-inch extension and a 10mm this time. So we got three bolts, one there, and we got another one there. So let's whip it out. Oh my god, this one actually fits. 3 bolts have been took out as shown in the last section. If you're strong enough, you might be able to do this. I don't think you lot will be strong enough because you haven't been in the gym. Just get your fingers in there. Look at that, man. Fingers and nails. Yeah, these ones. Oh my god, look at the power. Whoa. Don't try this at home. Oh, man, is that off properly? Oh, I got done 2 out of 3. Come on. There we go. So right there, they're pretty much off. And pull off. Easy. Guessing these ones aren't going to be as easy, are they? Does this spin out or something? No, just pulls off. Does it? He's a psychopath. He's just put this into the screwdriver, which I've never done. Seems like a good idea now, to be fair, but you've got this one down here, cheeky 10mm, so get that on there and then loosen her off. Right then, so I'm going to pop this off now. Oh, there we go, lovely jubbly. Yeah, making this look harder than it needs to be. Oh, there we go. Lovely. Then, so to get to the blow off valve, it is down here. So you've got, so you can see the 2 10mm there, and then you can see the 2. Apparently that bottom left one is the one that's going to give you trouble. So yeah, let's whip them out and see how we go. Right then, so 4 bolts took out, and then obviously you got this little breather pipe here which goes to down here. As you can see, I've undone this one here and the other one there. Just give it a little spin and hopefully it should just pop off. Easy as that, folks. So yeah, that's off. And there is a new one that we've got to put on, but it's on the other one. So right then, so we've got two different types. So this is going to be the blow off valve, so it's going to be atmospheric. So obviously it's going to, the air and the boost is going to come out of here. Or you've got a choice, if you want you can run it recirc, so it basically just take this end off and you screw that end off and then it plumbs it back into the system. So it's totally up to you on what you want. If you want a bit of noise, so we're going for this one, so you can bung this up on the induction kit. So videoing. Well, this is quite tight, to be honest with you. I don't think you'll see much, to be honest, but there we go. We're going on tight. I wish there was a better way to do it. So as you can see, the silicone hose literally slotting through there. Try to route it the best way we can. So, yeah. So what we've done is a little helper. Come on, focus, focus, focus. You're not focusing at all. There we go. Basically, if you remove that, just spin it out, you get a lot more movement down there, which helps a lot. So you can see. Come on, this camera was supposed to be better. Yeah, there we go. See, so we got a lot more. That 10mm down there is going to be a kit. On this forged like little silicone joiner for obviously the induction kit. That's a big boy, that is. So yeah, I'm just stuck this on 7mm and just get it sitting nice and on there, nice and snug. I see what you mean. You want to make sure
it's facing that way.
Yeah, yeah. Ooh, that's tight, that is. Right, so it's on now. So just put your hands just behind it, just to make sure it's flush up against the turbo elbow, and then just do her up. Right then, so obviously this bracket has got to sit through there, so we're gonna have to take that off, slide that on, and then do we put that back through it? Yeah. Is that the case? Okay. So yeah, let's whip that off. Right then, so let's just slide her in. Ooh, it's got to go over that. It's got to go in on a bit of an angle, and then come back. It's going to be tight. Well, it is quite tight, you know. It's got a beveled edge, I think. There we go. Nice. It's got to go back loads. Yep. There we go. That's nice. Slot that bad boy like so. Don't do it up too tight because I don't know where. Make sure it's nice and even. Your Jubilee, and then obviously your pipes. So lovely. Apparently it's an absolute knob to get on, so we're going to push this on first. Yep. And then I don't know if I've got the strength in my fingers anymore, to be honest. It's cold. There we go. That one's sound, and then this one. You know what?
Do you even get to the gym?
Nah, I just look at the weights and I don't lift them.
Thought so.
Yes, the power. Right, and then Jubilee, just be the case of just lining her up. See what you mean?
It's tight there.
Yeah, it's a bit tight there, but as soon as we start crimping her up, should be alright. Just make sure we've got an even lip all the way around in it. It'll be alright. And pretty much is also obviously because we've gone atmospheric. Like obviously if you'd have put the recirc in, so the pipe would have gone back through there, back into there, but we've just put the bung back on it. So obviously in the kit you will get this pipe, so obviously where we've gone and swapped it, you would have had that bit would have slid on and then it would have gone into there like so. Go on,
Yeah, H with the straight up H.
I think it sounds nice, to be honest with you. I like it. But it's a new modern car, do you want to ruin it with all that noise? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Not bad, not bad. So hopefully you can hear it. Hopefully it's picking it up. Just gives it the little bit of a whistle, doesn't it?